Here with Brandon Brown out of
Umatilla, Oregon.
Third place down at the first round of work, Phoenix. Brandon, tell me about your race.
I got third off the start and was doing fair, if anything, just trying to stay alive like everybody else. And then caught a snow snake with the front tire, and it took me up over a berm, killed the bike in about 1.5 feet. Back tires were in about 1.5 feet of mud, and both lines, they started, there were so many pros today, they started us on 2 different lines, and the second line was a minute back, and both lines passed me completely by the time I got my bike pulled back, and then started plugging away from there. Bike started running decent about halfway through the race, and put my head down and started charging and tried to pass everything I could, and they told me after I came in that I was somewhere in the top 5, and then Sean came over about 20 minutes ago and said that I got in 3rd place, so to get my bike up there on the podium, and that's about all I know.
Any special, like, you know, you're being from up north, a lot of rain?
Yeah, you know, I mean, Washougal, Washington always has a hangover scramble on the 1st of January, and it's the first time I don't usually go out and put my bikes through that unless I have to, like at a works race, but went up there and did that this year, and it was nowhere near as miserable as this. But I've ran in the mud a little bit, so once the bike started working for cleaning out and working for me, I was able to do something.
And this was the first race on the Kawasaki?
No, that's just a green 450 other bike.
Oh, green.
Next round will be with Kawasaki. Want to thank Kawasaki Team Green, Motorsport.com, Motorsport Hillsboro, Maxxis Tires, Recluse, LRD Performance, Moose Racing, and a ton of others, Moto X Nutrition.
And that new mechanic you got?
And John Wayman, my badass new mechanic.
Awesome. Thanks, Brandon.